And now to the one that Graham attended.
Graham, to the one that you attended, please enlighten us.
Bro,
Manila Clasico. Magnolia versus Ginebra. Magnolia winning
The
80 to
most
73.
non-biased way possible, please.
Non-biased dapat ah. May fans ka na ngayon.
brother, alam mo, I really hate my life decisions, man.
Oh, what is
I
it?
could have gone to MOA Arena for free. For free. Did I lose you? Did I lose you?
No?
I
We're
I
here.
did not. Yeah,
Si
I could
Mario
have
yung
gone
parang nawala. I'm
for
here.
free, man. But I chose to go to Araneta for the PBA. Um, Not a fan of the opening ceremonies. It's corny for me, but it is what it is. The game
Mm.
itself, it's okay. You know, I wish Ginebra has a shooter that when you leave open will knock down the three for sure, like Javi Gomez de Llano. Oh wait, they did, they did. They just traded him to Jeremiah Gray, who also played well today. Uh, Javi, man, so good. I get the hype now. The whole arena, brother. When he's open, it's
Matic,
going
di
in.
ba?
It is
Matic eh, no?
going in. He's like
Plus
Clay
19 siya by
Thompson.
the way. It's a plus 19.
My goodness gracious, Javi Gomez de Leano. Ugh. um, Jerome Lastimosa was excellent, brother. I know yung numbers now with RJ is kind of close if you look
Mm.
at the points. But brother, grabe impact ni Jerome. Super duper talino ni Jerome Lastimosa, Mario. Welcome back. Brother, I was saying Javi was so excellent. I wish we have a shooter like that
Hey, dude.
with Ginebra, but we let him go. Jerome was so good in Xavier Lucero, man. Just imagine if Will Navarro did not leave for uh, another country with LA Tenorio at the helm. Man, they could have they could have changed already. I mean, they may have changed already to not be the chokers at the PBA anymore. I am impressed, man. I right now I'm overreacting. I rank them above Ginebra for sure,
Really, I love
for
this
sure,
objectivity, Graham. Nice. You should be more like this every time, no? This
for
should be,
sure.
this should be the norm. This should be the norm. But Mario and I have seen what Javi can do, and more of the justify lang na yung pinakita niya ngayon sa Magnolia. Every time he's on that left wing, kahit saan parte ng 3-point
Bro, it doesn't matter.
area, kaya tawag sa kanya Clay ng KBL eh. Di
Oh,
ba?
Yes, yes.
bro, that's why when people were like, wala lang yan si Javi, that won't add anything to any team. Guys, any team that Javi Gomez de Leano goes on sa PBA will become a championship caliber team because he is a knockdown, probably Marshall Lassiter level shooter at this point in his career.
Peak
And
Marcio, no? Young
Peak.
Marcio.
Yep,
Peak
yep.
Marcio.
dude, did you see the plays Magnolia were running for him?
Dami, no?
Off the
Daming
off
plays
the
off the
off
ball.
the ball, off the screen. And
Bro,
he was shooting moving threes, not moving. It was crazy.
bro. I'm telling you, I haven't seen a guy shoot like that since Marcio nga. Tama. Um, you cannot give him any space at all, brother.
Not at all.
Only thing I can that I think he can improve on yung depensa. Medyo naiiwan pa rin siya, but that's something that they can develop. But bro, him, Lucero, Lastimosa, and then you have the other guys coming off the bench, sila Baroka.
Yeah.
This team
Bro,
is
but Magnolia won this game right away in the first quarter when they started
yeah.
James Laput. Like, dude,
Yes. I
doon
was
pa
gonna
lang.
go there. James Laput finally getting minutes.
See, he is seven, he's like 6'10", 9", whatever, of good basketball player. He's not a
Plus
dog
8 by the
basketball
way.
player.
Plus 8 James Laput as well.
Missed a lot of
Exactly.
layups, Tapos just saying.
Huh?
Rust
Missed
lang
a
yan.
couple of
Rust lang yan. Rust lang yan,
pass.
Grim. Di pinapalaro buong season, buong conference last year. Ay, last year. Last season.
If I'm being honest, I started that as a joke when I said that they won. That's the first quarter. But dude, he deserves minutes. He absolutely
Oh,
deserves minutes.
oh. Bro, alam mo, the game
On
was over.
Ginebra, if you put James Laput on Ginebra, I think he should start.
Hey, we're gonna get to Ginebra in a second. the game was over when Sanggalang hit the 3 in the first quarter. I have never seen Ian Sanggalang hit a 3
I
before.
have never seen him hit a 3 also. I don't
Oh,
remember the last time he hit a 3-pointer.
sabi ko, what? Grabe naman yun. But man, I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed with Magnolia. See how I'm doing this? I'm building them up. Parang, hey, diyan kayo sa pinakataas. So when you fall, pak, it's harder. It's more painful. But I'm just
This
saying,
guy
man,
just
this
can't
this
stop
is a
himself.
different team. Here's what I'm gonna tell you. If Chito Victoler is coach, it, I won't have the same opinion. But it's LA Tenorio. And he's just so intelligent. Um, we I did not feel yung love for him from from the Ginebra fans. But it's probably because hindi naman siya pumasok sa loob ng court. But
Uh,
it was not as good as advertised. Na parang LA against Ginebra for the first time. He didn't feel it.
Dude, side note lang, I think this is probably the best conference we'll see Zave play. It's all Filipino na eh.
Mm,
Pag all Filipino men, Zave has an advantage about against everybody.
that is right.
Because he is faster than all bigs and he is bigger than all guards, man. Um, this is probably the best conference Zave is gonna have, and he showed it kanina, man. He's a great player, talaga. And the best thing about this for Magnolia fans is, dude, this is a young core. This is a very young core, man. Xavier Lucero graduated from UP 3 years ago. Jerome Lastimosa graduated from Adamson 2 or 3 years ago. Javi's 5 years removed from UP. Like this is such a young core. You can keep it together. I really don't see why they can't go that far. Um,
That's it.
yeah, great team. But at the same time, man, Ginebra. I said this when we did the previews. Ginebra's best chance at winning basketball games is if Scotty Thompson is aggressive, and he had zero.
Oh, we're gonna go there. We're gonna go there,
Wait,
Mario.
what? What? Scotty, no points?
Check mo
Yeah,
yung stats. Check mo yung stats na nilagay ko. 0
Wow,
points.
didn't know that, man.
0
Well,
points, 5 rebounds,
so
1 assist, 1 steal for Scotty. In 31 minutes. 0
zero.
for 5. Minus
Man,
12.
that's I didn't know that. Um,
he's
talking
supposed to
about
be your best player, man.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm, that is correct.
And I
You
don't know. I just don't
Ginebra,
believe that they can win games if. Oh, sorry, I'm blocking my own camera. I just don't believe Ginebra can win games if Scotty is playing like that, man. It's just gonna be so tough, especially if you get Sonny Esteel to give you 7 points. Like, dude, that's probably the best you're gonna get out of Sonny Esteel this whole
bro.
season.
9.7 rebounds by the way, Sonny is
Hold
still.
hold on. The things na ginawa ni Sunny Esteel, you cannot see on the stat sheet. Brother, I'm gonna describe it to you the best way you'll understand, okay? He's like a taller Scotty Thompson with
Mm.
Scotty Thompson motor, pero yung kamay Japet Aguilar. Like nawawala yung bola.
Ah, talaga? Okay.
Mm,
Kala ko, sobrang hina-hype up mo siya. Buti binaba
ganun
mo naman
siya.
ng onti.
Ganun siya.
And
So,
I was
I like
about to
him.
go off. I was about to go off on your ass, dude.
No, no.
Buti
No,
binawi niya,
I
no?
like him.
And
Oh,
Japet
oh,
Aguilar
I
hands.
like I like Sunny Steele. He's good. He's good. For me, he's good. He's worth that 11th pick surprise. He's the steal of the draft. He's living up to that name. I know you hate that,
Na,
but he's
na-trigger na
good.
naman.
Another thing, Coach Tim Cohn, please can you please run some plays for Stephen Holt in
yeah.
the fourth
Dude,
quarter?
Stephen Holt has 17 rebounds, no? 16 and 17.
What? 17 rebounds? Hindi ko kasi
Yeah.
hindi mo kasi makikita
Stephen
yung
Holt
stats.
has
Wala ka
17
naririnig pag
rebounds.
nasa
Yeah.
live ka. Man, Stephen Holt in the fourth quarter, they went exclusively to him and every time he shot free throws. If the triangle's not working, why not call a play for Stephen Holt? You do that for Justin Brownlee. So why not do
Yeah.
that for Stephen Holt?
Bro, honestly, you're gonna hate me for saying this, or you might not. But I think Jeremiah Gray actually had a decent game.
Oh,
He had a
he
decent
did.
game. He had
Yeah.
a decent game. Agree tayong tatlo dun.
Oo, oo. It's just that na-overshadow siya ni Javi. Para kasing mabigat sa loob ko na, this guy, we could have had this guy. And then we gave him up for Jeremiah Gray. Maya will be better. That's for
Yeah,
sure. He looked good tonight. He
yeah,
only did not play good. He looked good. He looked
yeah.
confident. So
I agree.
that's good. Yeah, RJ Abarientos, please can we lessen the flopping? Like please, can we lessen the flopping? Rookie of the year, by the way. Oh, shout out to some
Na-technical siya dun,
other.
di ba? Na technical
Na technical
si
siya. Yeah.
I'm
RG.
Shout out to some
curious.
other media
No, I'm saying the
personalities
name, dude.
spreading
I'm saying
fake
the name. I
news.
don't give a shit. I'm just curious as hell, man. Like, how do you just blatantly say such fake news? On X, where
And
you
nobody
go
gives him shit on it, di ba?
Di ba?
like,
Di ba?
didn't he literally outright say it was a far and away
Not
it
even
was
close,
Oh,
parang ganun, di ba?
pati
not
tayo na
even
fake
close
out eh. And
race
we
of
believed
Cedric
him.
Barefield?
We believed him kasi okay,
Oo, parang,
kasi Homer
hey,
Sison.
man,
Ah,
Well, let's be
okay.
very real. Nico, you and I believed him. Graham did not believe him for a minute. I don't think Graham
yeah,
believed him.
brother,
Ito, the normal person would believe him kasi okay, so Homer
he's a
Exactly.
Sison,
writer.
writer, okay, okay.
That's why I don't understand. Sorry, I'm gonna go off on a tangent here from the Hinebra game. But what the fuck, dude? Like, like, how did you get it so wrong? And you have a source who said it was far and away, and you were still wrong. I don't understand. Like, it's a genuinely annoying thing. Kasi he was wrong. He had a source that backed it up, which was also wrong, and nobody will give him flack for it. That makes zero sense, dude.
That is, that's right. And then, pag nag-reply ka, he's gonna block you, man. He's gonna block you. That's why I don't reply to him. Kasi hindi ko na makikita yung mga tweet niya eh. But,
Dude, it's so
bro,
stupid.
I've been preventing myself.
Just use
You
one of your
cannot
burners,
spread
Grim.
fake news like that. What?
Just use one of your burners.
Oh yeah, you know what? That's right. Bro, you do not spread fake news like that. What do you mean not even close? But
He didn't even
actually
win.
for me, medyo shady zero votes from the media for Bearfield. Dun lumayo si RJ eh.
I didn't see the final tally.
Sobra, I'm gonna send you something, man. Zero votes from the media. The media did Bearfield as Scotty Thompson sa voting.
I
Zero.
don't, dude. I don't think you could bring up Scotty Thompson right now, Ian.
He had
Yeah,
zero
medyo
today. Am I wrong? Am I wrong?
Dude, like, oh, I just got it. Never mind. I thought you meant like when he was in the MVP voting. That's my bad.
No, it's
Um,
zero. To
and
make matters worse, I think Ginebra's next game is TNT. If I'm not mistaken.
again, man, I think a lot of this has to ride on Scotty Thompson, brother.
Yeah, that's
You
right.
do not play 32 minutes and have 0 points. Or he shot it 4 times, right? Five?
5 naman.
Hindi ko
Yeah.
know. I don't
He
know.
shot, you cannot shoot 5 times, brother. You are supposed to be the star. Unless you're telling me now this is RJ's team, then sure. But as of right
RJ.
now, I still believe this is supposed to be Scotty's team, diba?
Still
Yeah,
Scotty's team dapat.
yeah. Wala na si LA eh. Like wala na talaga si LA. So um it definitely is his time. One other player I want to shout out, bro. Norbert Torres. I really loved how he guarded si Ian Sangalang. He contained Ian Sangalang. So I haven't seen Japet do that ever. Like ever. And Norbert Torres did that easily.
How many did Japs have?
I don't have the stats.
Nico. Nico.
I'm
It's
checking
public
right
account.
now. Japet. No. Japet had 5 points and 5 rebounds.
Okay,
Welcome
okay.
Minus
to the
10.
That's
50th
the
It was
end of
season.
the
minus
that's the
10.
end of the episode, guys. Thanks for watching.
Hey, to be fair, he's kind of hurt.
Oh,
Yeah,
He's
what
dealing
happened?
agreed.
with
Anong injury? Oh, where was Mav?
he's in street clothes. Sila ni Isaac.
Mav's hurt?
Probably he's in street clothes.
Or on the trading
Uh,
block.
Hmm.
yeah, you know what? That's right. I won't be mad. But sila ni Isaac go
Yeah. So
were
honestly,
missing.
man, bright spots if your Magnolia is your whole if is Javi, Zave, and Jerome, which is your core for the next 8 to 10 years, you're fine. Bright spots for Ginebra. I think you only have one bright, well, fine, two bright spots. No, three. Let's say three. You have three bright spots as well. Jeremiah Gray looks a lot better than before. Stephen Holt is averaging a double double as of right now, and Sonny Estill had 9 points and 7 rebounds.
There you go. Thank you for mentioning Sunny Steele. The 34 continues. Chris Ellis, Christian Steinhardinger, and now Sunny MF Steele can ball, man. I'm telling you.
I don't hate
Back
it,
to
dude.
back rookie of the years.
I don't hate it. Hey man, I'm just saying, man. If
Bagay
somebody can
yan.
get nine and if my off the bench power forward slash small forward can get 9 and 7, my starting center should get better than 5 and 5.
You know,
I'm just saying, man.
it is what it is. But it hurts as expected because it's a rivalry game. But crazy day, crazy weekend. I just hope that after an exhausting week, the Ginebra win would have been therapeutic. But you know, you cannot expect anything
To be
from
fair, it was therapeutic because it will make you go to therapy.
Mm.
the
Papapa-therapy ka.
the amount I spent on tickets should have gone to therapy instead. Crazy week, crazy week. Basketball is back, baby, full swing.
It's full swing basketball, dude. I watched the Lakers lose by 22. Uh, um, and the WNBA is continuing tomorrow, man. Tapos dude, every league is right now active. JBL is active, so you're able to see Ray, you're able to see Dwight. The
Euroleague, di
KBL
ba?
is, huh?
The Euroleague din.
EuroLeague, you won't see 30 because he hasn't had minutes yet. But EuroLeague is currently active. Hopefully they give 30 some minutes though. And then the KBL where most of the Filipino players are right now. You can watch Carl Tamayo, Ethan Alvano, SJ Belangel, Will Navarro just made his debut. Miguel Oczon is still in Korea. Dude, like so many players, Filipino blood in the KBL right now. JD Kagulangan also. Renza Bandos back for Anyang. Dude, the KBL has all the names in the world right
Thank
now.
God Will Navarro went away because he would have been great with Magnolia too. So
Fun fact, I believe if Will Navarro didn't leave, Javi doesn't go to Magnolia. Just
yeah,
saying.
yeah. You're right with
Just
that. Hey,
saying.
one last thing. Mario, basketball is in full swing. Pwede bang pag nag-break, pakipanood na yung Slam Dunk? Like, can you give me can
Yan,
you name
kailangan
me
mo
a
na
character
manood.
right now? No.
Saruke.
Alright. Just end the pod.
Ano?
He hasn't watched an
Ano daw?
episode. Saruke daw.
Saruke.
Saruki!
Sasuke. I don't know. Sasuke.
Sasuke! Naruto
This
yun!
guy doesn't know Slam Dunk. Alright. Gonna give you a pass.
Anyway, yun lang naman guys. Thanks for listening. Ayun, yun lang naman. Give us a follow, 5-star rating on Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube, Rivalry Day, 3 topics. We're all beat, pero we always have time for basketball, and I hope you guys like the episode. Let us know what you guys think. This will all be split. So right now,
God, he's so
Hinebra,
tired.
Magnolia, upload ko, Ateneo Lasal next, and then Beda Letran split into 3 parts starting tonight,
Oh, really?
lunchtime on Monday, and then just to maximize our episode. All right, see you guys. See you.
Adios, amigos. Never stop believing.